Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's continue with the May-June 2025 paper 1-3. So in the previous video we have done question 1 to 13. So now we will continue with the same paper. So if you have any question or any feedback, please write in the comment section, and kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends if you are getting benefit. So let's start. Question 14 that we have here. The diagram shows a trapezium. We have a trapezium. The area of trapezium is 42 centimeter square. Work out the value of h. Now first we will write the formula. Formula of area of trapezium is half a plus b times h. A is the parallel side. So you can see the parallel sides that we have here is 10 and 4. So this is our A and this is our B, right, and H is here, and this area is equal to 42 centimeters squared. This is given to us over here. So we will just substitute the values now. A is 10 and B is 4 times height equals to 42. Now you simplify this. So this is 1 over 2 times 10 plus 4, 14 into h equals to 42. So 2 times 7. So we have h equals to 42 over 7, that is 6. So value of h is 6 centimeters, right? Centimeters are already given, so value of h is 6. Number 15, write down the inequality represents on the number line. Now you see we have this line here. So the value of x is between this. So if you see, this is a circle which is shaded and this is hollow circle. So meaning this negative 4 value is included. So negative 4 less than or equals to x and then less than 3. So 3 is not included. So we are not going to put the sign of equal here with the less sign. So we will put this answer here in the space given to us like this. Now write down the smallest integer that satisfy the inequality d greater than or equal. So it is given that d is greater than negative 3 over 4. So negative 3 over 4 is somewhere here in this side, right? So somewhere here. He said greater than the smallest integer. After this is 3, 1 over 4 negative, and the integer, nearest integer is negative 3. So answer is negative 3. Now number 16, on Monday the cost of concert tickets is $X. On Tuesday the cost of ticket for the same concert is 20% more than cost on Monday. So Jack buys 4 tickets on Monday and 5 tickets on Tuesday. Jack pays $270 in total. Work out the value of x. So let's say on Monday we will start day by day here. On Monday the cost is cost of ticket is $X. Okay. Then on Tuesday the cost is 20% more than. So meaning 100 plus 20. We can write down 120% of x. So it is going to be 120% of x. So this will be 120 over 100 times x. So we have this as 1 point, this is cancelled, 1.5, sorry 1.2, let me erase. This is going to be 1.2 x. Okay. So now we are given Jack buys 4 tickets on Monday. So 4 tickets on Monday means 1 ticket on Monday costs x, then 4 tickets will cost 4x. Then plus, then he buys 4 tickets on Monday and 5 tickets on Tuesday. So Tuesday time cost is 1.2x. and the total cost he pays is 270. So, this gives us an equation. Now, this will just solve it for x. So, this is 4x and 12 9, this will be 6x equals to 270. So, this is 10x equals 270 and x we got here 27, right. That is it. Now, number 17 we have exponents here. So, we know the formula, let me write down here, x power m times x power n. When the base is same, then we add the power. So, it becomes x m plus n. So, same way we have here 4 plus 6, which is y power 10. So, final answer is y power 10. Now, here again the rule is, when we have base same, x power n divided by x power n, it gives us x m minus n. Then we subtract the power. So, we have here p 5 divided by p 8. So, we will write p 5 minus 8, that is p negative 3 in exponent, right. So, next again exponent rule, if we have x power m and then outside we have n, then we multiply the powers, m times n. Same we will do here, 4 times 3, that is 12. So, w power 12, right. So, this has this question have used 3 rules of exponent, that you should be clear. Now, number 18 we have a question from circles. The diagram shows a circle. You can see the circle with center O. O is here. P and S are points on the circle. Where is P? P is here. P and S are points on the circle. P O Q is a straight line. P O Q. P O R. Sorry. P O R. This is a straight line here. Q R S T is a tangent. So, there is one straight line and this one is a tangent here. So, this is the tangent. Now, find the value of x, give your geometrical reason for your answer. So, we are looking for basically x. So, this is very simple here. So, look at this circle, and this OP is a radius and this OS is a radius. So, meaning both of them are same. Okay. So, if these two sides are same, so then it forms a an isosceles triangle. So, this is our O here and there is S and P. So, is this angle is 25 and these two sides are equal, meaning that this angle is also going to be 25. So, x is 25. So, we will write down here x is 25 because it is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, right. So, this makes you able to get 2 marks. Find the value of y. Now, we are looking for value of y. Our y is here. So, now how can we work? We are given that this is a tangent. So, there might be a roll of this and this straight line. So, this is a straight line here and this angle is going to be 90 because this is angle between radius and the tangent. So, angle OSR is going to be 90 and this angle is let me write it down here. This we have found it 25. So, total angle is going to be 90 plus 25 here, and then we can find out this angle and then we will find out y. Yeah, there are different ways, then you can see how you are going to do that. So, we have in triangle OSR, in triangle OSR, angle OSR is 90 degrees, right. Then this angle is okay. So, if I see this angle is exterior of this angle, right. So, if this is 25, this is 25, exterior angle is sum of the interior opposite angle. So, this angle is 50. Now, we can use this triangle OSR as the sum of the angles. So, angle 50. So, in this triangle 50 plus 90 plus angle ORS. ORS meaning about this angle, right. This angle is going to be calculated by this way. This is equals to 180. So, this is 140 plus ORS equals to 180 degrees. So, angle ORS is 180 minus 40, it is 40 degrees. So, we calculated this angle is 40 degree now, and now you see this is a straight line. So, angle of sum of these two angles, this and this, is going to be 180. So, I will write here y plus 40 will be 180, because we are given that QRST POR is a this a straight line, and then this is a tangent this one is a tangent. So, this is also a straight line. So, angle on the straight line are supplementary. So, y is equal to 180 degrees minus 40. So, then we get y is 140 degrees. Okay. So, y is 140 degrees, right. Okay, let us move to the next question. We have a diagram that shows the sector of a circle, sector of the circle with radius 3, radius is 3 and sector angle is 60. Calculate the area of the sector. So, area of the sector, we will use the formula. Area of the sector is area of sector is theta over 360. Now, we will take degrees because the angle given to us is degree. We are not using radians now. So, angle is 60 degrees over 360 pi, and r is radius is 3 centimeter. We will just calculate this one. So, this is 6 times 6, 1 over 6 pi times 3 squared is 9. So, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So, this is 3 over 2 pi, or we can write 1.5 pi, right. So, that is the answer 1.5 pi, because we are not substituting the value, because we are told here the instruction give you answer in terms of pi in its simplest form. So, we will write in the simplest form. Actually, in the simplest form it is supposed to be 3 over 2 pi, right. Now, next find HCF of 36 and 54. So, I will use division method 36 and 4. So, you divide whenever it is a HCF. So, you divide unless you divide by one number unless you get it divide by the both of the number. So, if I take 2, make sure that you divide both of them, 2 divides both of them. This is 18 and this is going to be 27. Now, we cannot take 2 because 2 divides only 18, not 27. So, we will take here 3. 3 times 6, 3 times 9, right. So, now again this both our numbers are divisible by 3, 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. Now, none of the numbers will divide both of them. To find out the HCF, then we just need to multiply. We need to take only that number we have on the left hand side. So, HCF is going to be 2 times 3 times 3. 3 times 2 6, 6 times 3 it is 18. So, final answer is 18, right. Now, number 21, in this question all lengths are in centimeter. So, we are given the lengths, there are no actual lengths here, we can see there is x everywhere. So, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. So, meaning both the perimeters in these triangles are equal. Now, you know what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the sides, right, sum of side or length around the side around the shape, right. Sum of the sides we are going to add here everything together then we will just form an equation to solve the value of x. So, first I will add this 2x, then x plus 3 and 9. So, the perimeter of triangle we are given, I am writing here, perimeter of triangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle, right. So, perimeter of triangle is 2x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus 9 equals to, you see this is 2x, as it is a rectangle the opposite sides are going to be equal x. So, meaning 2 times it is 2, perimeter of rectangle is 2l plus w, l is 2x minus 1 plus x, right. Now, we are just going to simplify this. So, if you combine the like terms here, 2x plus x, it is 3x, then 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 9 is 13 equals to, this is 2 into 2 plus 1, it is 3x minus 1. Okay. So, 3x plus 13 equals to 6x minus 2, right. So, now 13 I am bringing to this side and taking 3x on the other side. So, minus 3x, this is 15 equals to 3x, x is 5. So, that was our question to find out the value of x. So, x is 5 here. Now, number 22, rearrange the formula to make h the subject, meaning, so we need to shift everything on the left hand side apart from h. So, I am just rewriting, taking just writing in another way, I mean just writing left hand side on this side or other side, so that it is easier. H over 3 will be g plus 8, shift one by one whatever you have on the other side. So, h is going to be now 3 times g plus 8, right. So, now you expand the bracket, 3g, 8 times 3 it is 24. So, 3g plus 24. Okay. Now, number 23, we can see there are two triangles here, rectangles here. Rectangle A is mathematical similar to rectangle B. When it comes to similar, similar means their shape is same, but size is different. Work out the value of x. So, when the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their sides is same. So, we are looking for x. So, I am taking this x, this corresponding side x and 1.5 here. So, x over 1.5 will be equals to, I will take another one from on the bigger rectangle, 8 over 2, right. So, now just simplify, x is going to be 8 over 2 times 1.5. So, 2 times 4, 5 times this is going to be 6. So, value of x is 6 here. Now, work out 3.5 and 1 4/7. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So, we have 3.5 minus 1 4/7, right. So, we will just convert this into improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 it is 7 over 2, minus 7 times 1 7 plus 4 it is 11 over 7, right. So, then we will take the LCM, or you make the denominator same, it is the same thing, 14. So, to make this 14 you are going to multiply by a number of the denominator of the other. To make this 14 I will multiply here by 7, same I will do in the numerator. Similarly, here to make this 14 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, right. So, then we will have here the denominators same, right. So, 7 times 7 it is 49, right, minus 22. So, 49 minus 22 it is 27 over 14. Then we just simplify, we cannot divide this by one number. So, 14 1 3 1 when you subtract, so remainder. So, when you write this it is going to become like this. Okay. okay, in the simplest form. So 113 over 14 is the final answer. Now number 25, I guess this is the last question of your paper. Yeah. So solve these simultaneous equations. So simultaneous equations, you can use any method. You can use substitution method, or you can equate the make the coefficients same. So I am making the coefficients same. Here if you see, this is the 8x, this is 5x, here is only 5 y. So I am going to multiply the whole equation, second equation, by 5, and I will rewrite everything. 8x plus 5y equals to 4. Then when you multiply, this becomes 10x minus 5y equals to 50, right. So now change the signs of the lower equation, because we are subtracting, we cannot, there is no need to subtract, we can just add. Now see here, if you see the signs are different, so then we need to add to cancel this. So 8 plus 10, it is 18x. So 5y minus 5y is 0. So 4 plus this is 54, right. So now x is 54 divided by 18, which is 3. So value of x we got as 3. Now we can substitute this value in any of the equations. So I am taking this equation 1. So when x is 3, what will be our y? We will replace here x by, in equation 1, 8, and then we have x is 3 plus 5y equals to 4. So 5y, this is 24. I am showing you step by step solution, because this is a non-calculator paper and you have to do all the calculations on your own. So that's how I am telling you to do it step by step, so that you avoid any unnecessary mistakes. So y is negative 4. So value of x is 3 and y is negative 4, right. So that's it for this paper. I hope you guys understood whatever I showed you here. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I will eagerly wait for your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed.